Hey guys, it's Maymay, and it's that time again. Can you believe it? It is October Scripture Club. This year is flying past, no joke. I'm excited about this one. I decided to check off a box of a stamp set that I've been wanting, and when you see the samples, you'll see why. Now, we have something sort of similar to this in our line, but what I did different here, I think is going to make a lot of you guys happy. So this is our Scripture Stamp of the Month Club. If you're not a member of our club, why not? It's super fun. It's $11.99 if you're in the U.S., $13.49 if you're outside of the U.S., and as a club member, you get a discount in our store. So it's a super cool, good value. All right, it's a mystery every month, and that's why we do these reveal videos. So I'm going to flip this over and show you our newest stamp set. This one is called Merry Melodies. Now check this out. What we did here was we wanted to play off of Christmas music, okay? So like Christmas hymn songs, basically. You can see here we've got "O Come All Ye Faithful," "Away in a Manger," "Angels We Have Heard on High," and "O Come Emmanuel." These are some of my favorite songs, my favorite being "O Come All Ye Faithful." But look, I know we have the builder, the music builder, but I wanted a single stamp that would make life easier so we don't have to build the staff. And then I wanted something that played. Isn't that pretty? With the little playful notes. And I love this sentiment that Sylvia wrote. It says, "May the melody of Christmas ring in your heart forever." I love this. I just thought this was perfect for us for this time of year to do something different and to mix with our other stamp sets. Now I'm going to show you these samples we've got. So Shannon did the card for us this time. This card is gorgeous. She used all the little loose notes plus the swirly one, and then "May the melody of Christmas ring in your heart forever." Isn't that beautiful? A nice, simple black and white card, which is what I asked her for because I love it. I think that one is great. And let me show you this. Now, I did this. I have been wanting to play with these beads. We got these beads in store a while back. We have them in 4 colors. We have them in black, red, gray, and cream. And I love this look that's kind of going around right now. So I decided to make a tag that could become an ornament. So you can see here, this music section is that whole stamp, okay? And what I did was I stamped it once on a scrap piece of paper. Then I took my ink pad and rocked and rolled it around the edge so I could get a second generation stamp in the middle, and then the pretty solids around here to make the words just pop. So there's that. And if you look on the back, it's a tag with that cute little sentiment, but after it's a tag, it becomes an ornament. Isn't that cute? Love this one. And finally, you guys are going to love this. We got a Brenda sample, and it's so Brenda. Check this out. This is one of the new boxes we just got in store. They're little wood boxes. They are so cute, and they're a good size for photos and things like that. So she took one of those little clips from Tim Holtz. They come in a multi-pack, and she hot glued it in the top here. And this is the music stamp. She took the sheet part, the music sheet here, and stamped it, stamped it, stamped it, stamped it, stamped it. And by the way, she just used VersaFine here. She did not use StazOn because this is porous wood, so it worked great. And then this little set at the bottom is actually from our stamp set called Gather Together. I'll show you. It's these trees, so you can mix that together. And she just stamped those across in there. Isn't that cute? She ran some ribbon around. And then this is a cut apart. Now, you don't have to use a cut apart. You could use a photo. You could put a Christmas card, a tag, anything in here. You could add more to the outside if you wanted. But isn't this cute? I think she did a great job. So there's her sample. Here's my sample. I love having all the help with the samples because we get to play and do a little more than we normally would. And this one is Shannon's sample. I said it just like that. Aren't they great? I love them. All right, guys, that is your stamp set. Now, I have more samples to show you because Kim Dixon also made a really adorable sample, but she wasn't able to get it to me before I had to film this video. So when I get it, I will show you guys that. And I think she's doing, either she's filming it for her channel or she's filming it for us. I'm not really sure. So you'll see that coming too. But there you go. That is our October Scripture Stamp of the Month. And I couldn't be more happy. I hope you guys enjoy it too. By the way, if you're not in the club, you can still pick this guy up. It's a little more expensive. He's $12.99, and you have to pay shipping if you're not in the club. If you're in the club, by the way, there's no shipping. It's included. It's kind of the perk. But if you buy it outside of that, you do have to pay shipping. All right, guys, thanks so much for being here today. Oh, I almost forgot. We have a $50 gift card winner from last month, and you'll find that name in the description of this video. If you would like to enter to win our $50 gift card, all you do is make a project using this stamp set, post it to our customer gallery, and that's your entry. Hey, thanks so much for being here, and until next time, bye now.